guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a new video on Amazon/Kindle publishing. I am so juiced up today, guys. I've produced so far 2 books this month, and they're both killing it. I'm just so fucking ecstatic right now of how well my books are doing. So what I've got here right now is a summary sheet of how my earnings are so far today. It's about, what time is it right now? 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time as I'm doing this video. And this is just for my ebooks, not the paperbacks, the ebook segment of my business for self-publishing. And I've already made over $50 today, most of which is from one book. This is for a Python programming bundle. It's based on Python programming, the computer language, and since I have the link here, I can show you exactly what it is. For those of you who don't know or who are not yet experienced with publishing, a bundle is simply a composition that comprises of multiple books. In this instance, it's a combination of 4 different books that I've published related to Python programming that I've included all in one set as a bundle deal. So this is a bundle that I am retailing at $4.99. I believe my commissions are around $3 per sale. So this is killing it right now on the market. It's just been out since a week. And yeah, so this doesn't even fully reflect the commissions that are yet to be finalized, but I've got 19 sales for this book today so far. We should therefore see around $60 so far today just from this book. I'm guessing that it can probably reach $70 today. Now, what made this book successful is that, yes, I have to plug it in. My self-publishing blueprint is the course that I follow to a T for the guidelines and procedures and the criteria needed to be successful in self-publishing. So this is how I did it. Just by following the blueprint. It's that simple. If you're interested, link is below. It's mandatory that I say that. It's not a marketing pitch, guys. It really works. I'm not the only publisher that's seeing tremendous success. Just look at the related videos on the right side of this screen, and you're going to find other publishers working with my self-publishing blueprint seeing killer results. And like I said, of the 2 books this month that I published, this is just one. The other one that I've published is killing it on paperback for Fortnite. Fortnite is the #1 most streamed game on Twitch.tv, and as such, there is a lot of money to be made off of Fortnite. It's kind of funny that it's a copyrighted term, but I guess their parent company is busy getting sued, and they're not really having the resources to litigate for books, unauthorized guides on Fortnite. So yeah, you can also see the Python programming book making a sale here. That's about $10 US. But yeah, so I had this book retailed at $8.99. Well, starting off at $5.99, then I started seeing sales go up. So I had this book retail at $8.99, and that $8.99 I've made 15 sales for about, roughly counting the euros, $50. And what I want to note is that I'm giving away this keyword, even though it's lucrative for me right now, but I'm not giving you my full title. Why did I do that? Why would I protect my title when I've already given you the keyword? Doesn't that already give you entryway into cutting into my business? Not necessarily. Every serious self-publisher has at least thought about publishing on Fortnite. I know several people right now, several high-level publishers right now, publishing for Fortnite, who have books out, but they aren't seeing the same success that I am. Now, why am I seeing success for the keyword while others are not, when it's the exact same keyword as what they're publishing? It's the long tail keyword that I've got going on for this title. I'm catering towards a certain demographic, a certain audience, a certain segment that is honed in for this title. Whereas they are just publishing the 50th guide on Fortnite, which is honestly stupid. Now, it's not an insult to others. I've done the same mistake. I recently made the same mistake with another book. I can share that as a case study at some point later on. but I am catering my books going forward towards a certain laser-focused demographic so that it's made for that demographic and it's going to be bought by that demographic for sure. So, I mean, would you want 50% of a pizza or 100% of a giant fucking pie? Like, yeah, that doesn't even make sense. But basically, you want to get that was a horrible analogy, but basically, you want to hone in on a particular segment and just dominate in market share for that demographic. Holy shit, that was a bad analogy, but I gotta move on. So yeah, as far as online sales today, I haven't even counted ACX, the audiobooks. I've already made over $100 today. It's not even the evening yet. Like, things are going awesome. As far as like being able to teach you my approaches to keywords and why this book will sell and others will not, what I've got going on is like I'm 2 Chainz. I'm different. And to help you like learn what I've got going on, I'm going to have a course released in June. So be on the lookout. It will teach you exactly how to research keywords, how to market keywords, and how to cater your books towards what I'm doing. And that's really the secret sauce for succeeding in self-publishing. And might I add, I'm actually going to give you the fucking keywords. I will give you keywords to publish for that are going to be successful keywords that you will make money on. Like, I'm going to hand you the fucking money. It won't get better than that. Who else is going to do that for you? Not Luca, not Stefan, not any of those guys who are just publishing these 3-year-old courses, giving you outdated information and stealing your money. So, yeah, course will come out in June. Just keep watching my videos. I'll let you know when, as time goes on, how it's going to develop. Most of the content's been finalized, but I want to make sure the shit's good and that I don't want to rush the process. I want you to have the best experience possible with the course and make sure that it makes you money. If you want to make your first $1,000 online, I highly recommend you check out my self-publishing blueprint. In fact, my course really will not teach you the mechanics like the blueprint will in teaching you the basics of how to publish a book online. But once you're past that, once you're past making $1,000 online, once you're past making $1,000 a month online, if you want to make $10,000 a month online, I'm going to help you to get there. We're going to do it together because I'm not there yet either. But we're going to fucking do it together, man. We're going to make it happen. We're going to like just ride through the journey, find out those keywords that are going to both make us some money. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. So it's not all hype. If you watch my other videos, you know I'm legit. I find keywords within minutes, if not seconds, whereas it will take usually hours, days, even weeks for most other publishers. So I found what I'm talented in, and I'm going to share it with you at an affordable, reasonable price. So stay tuned. I've got more coming. Thank you.